YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. On to my first job today, and only job. It's I think a 9-area job. Plus she's gonna want some pet enzyme. All right, I only put one room on the estimate, but I think she wanted me to evaluate it and see, you know, what I recommend on how many rooms. So I got some enzyme mixed up, liquid alive. I got my pet stain removal ready to go. I got 20 volume, and I got brain block. I'll tell you as I'm doing the job. Let me see if it comes to me. Undoes it. Wow. Anyway, on my way. Stay tuned. All right, so we're here at the job. I did a walkthrough with the customer, and you know, carpets look great, right? I mean they're a little dirty, but easy cleaning. A little bit of agitation here and there, you know, as far as the traffic areas and stuff. But I did tell you she had a pet problem, you know, 2 little bitty dogs, and some visitors sometimes. So we did a walkthrough, and initially it was for 1 pet room enzyme, and so I brought out the light, and as you can tell, dogs like to pee on the edge of stuff, right? So, you know, we walked through the rooms, and every room except for 1, I don't know if you can see the difference there, needs pet treatment. So I did do an enzyme. Usually I just do spots and stains and stuff like that, but when we have problems like this, then I need to charge her the enzyme, not only just for the odor, which there isn't any odor, but I need to use a lot of product, right, all through the house. So you know, you charge by the area. And she says she doesn't care what it costs, she just wants to get it cleaned. So I gave her a break on the cost per room, and she's, you know, she's not worried about it, guys. You know, you get customers that want to take care of their stuff, you know, and they just want to get it clean. So as you can tell, they like the sides of the walls. And like I said, they have visitor dogs, bigger dogs. So was peeing on where other dogs peed. So yeah, so there's a lot, right? So I'm gonna treat all this stuff, but I did tell her a lot of this stuff the stain may still be there, but the bacteria and stuff will be gone. You know, odor causing bacteria. And yeah, so as you could tell, most of these rooms, now this room over here, the main living room, actually doesn't have any. She says she sits in here, so they probably know she sits in here, and they go into other rooms, kind of sneaking around or something. I don't know, but yeah. So she took off shortly, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing vacuumed up and start cleaning. I'm gonna pump up a sprayer with some undoes it, more of it, and go through the house and treat all these right after I'm done vacuuming. Alrighty, right, today I got the Shark. This is our home vacuum. Decent, but I got another vacuum coming in because it's wider, and maybe I'll talk about the vacuum when I get it. I'm not saying it's going to be the best vacuum in the world, but it's a commercial grade vacuum, and it's got a wide area of path to where you can clean a lot quicker. And this one right here, I don't like it, so it's so narrow, and I just don't feel like it's got the power. But anyway, I gotta give it back to my wife anyway. She'll kill me. All right, well, stay tuned. So I went through the whole house, came down to my last bit of it, undoes it. So I thought, nah, I just had this corner to do, and I remembered, hey, I got some wool zyme on the trunk. So I use this, and it actually works really well. It was disappearing as I was spraying. So that wool zyme stuff is great for wool. So if you don't got it, and this right here is the wine still. So if you watch my videos, let me know in the comments what you think I'm using. She said it's been there a real long time, so I didn't guarantee her removal. So my last video was on professionalism and just presenting yourself in a certain way. All right, all that work and not doing a good job is out the window. So as you can tell, I got protector there for the floor over her rug here. I don't want to rub my hoses over a rug. So that goes a long ways. Corner guards. I didn't have that in my video, but you'll see in all my videos I got corner guards down protecting her furniture and everything, walls. So yeah, if you're getting into the business, you know, this stuff goes a long ways, guys. This is repeat calls. This is turning customers into clients. Okay, so I got my solution lying around now. I don't like to pull my vacuum out until I'm done scrubbing. That way I got less stuff to get around. So I'm gonna pre-spray, but I'm gonna pre-spray the whole house. You know, a lot of people will just do part of it, but with this solution I use, you can actually spray the whole house. Even if it were to dry, it would reactivate it as soon as I hit it with the water and the wand. But it wouldn't dry because the temperature's definitely not gonna let this type of carpet dry up in say a half hour before I get to it. Before I get to it, it's not going to dry this. Because if you are some commercial carpet, that'd be something you'd want to worry about, especially because if you got airflow going through there, it dries a lot quicker. But yeah, as far as this, I'm pre-spraying the whole house. right, guys, so that's a wrap for this job. Customer was super happy. Stains, majority, 99% of those stains were gone when I walked around with the light, and that was awesome, you know, to walk around and say, wow, this stuff really works. So yeah, that light, guys, getting the UV light is going to really give you that increase of revenue, because you got customers that they just want to get the visible spots out, but some people just want to get that deep clean. You pull out that thing and then you can know what you got to do. You know, it's a great tool. Getting a good one is hard, because I've had a bunch of them that are not good. This one I think I got on Amazon, and actually it's pretty good on when it's a little light out, you can still see it. So, you know, TMF got a really good one that I guess it doesn't even have to be dim and you can see the difference. Price is up there, and I may get one day, we'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys got something out of this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next video.